In the capital, the elections for Delhi's Municipal Council are due to take place on the 15th of April, and the battle is now intensifying. Political parties have fielded several young upcoming candidates this time. There are also a sizable number of independent candidates in the fray.
Well, what do you do if you are 22 years old, if you've just returned from an international degree, if you are in Delhi after a long gap of 3 or 4 years? In the case of Ankita Saini, you actually join politics and you fight the MCD elections. Now, as surprising as that may sound, it is actually happening. And the lady here is a candidate in the upcoming MCD elections. Now, before I come to you, Ankita, I have a few colony residents and I'm going to ask them to ask you 1 or 2 questions. What is your question?
Hi, my name is Avinav, and my question is, you're too young to be a politician. So do you really think you can really make a difference?
Well, that's a question many people will be asking, Ankita. You're very young. Why politics?
See, definitely politics needs young people because it's a lot of social work involved. And if you are not enthusiastic, dynamic, crisp, young, I don't think this field is for you. Definitely experience does matter. I am young and I will, definitely need the support of my elders if I talk experience-wise.
There are many who would say you don't have the perspective to be in politics, especially in Delhi politics.
Why not? Why not? I'm an Indian. And I think I have a full perspective to be here. I'm staying in Delhi from past 2 years and I definitely know MCD. I've been studying MCD for a long while now.
And what about the veterans of the MCD? How will you handle all the taus and the, bada leaders and all these old people who have been in the MCD for a long time? Won't you get intimidated?
No, I don't think so. Because, whenever you step into any field, it's not only about politics. You definitely come across such people and, they are everywhere in every, say about business sector, service sector. They're all kind of people. So I think if a person is adjusting over there, why not in politics?
All right. We have one more person who wants to ask a question. आप ये जानना चाह रहे थे इनसे शायद कि अगर जीत गई तो क्या कर सकती हैं?
सर, जीतने के बाद क्या कर सकते हैं?
क्या आपके जिंदगी सुधारने के लिए यहाँ सड़कें नाली सुधारने के लिए?
हाँ, तो क्या करेंगे? तो जीतने के बाद क्या करेंगे?
Well, that's the question probably many people will ask you. I'm sure when you campaign around this area, a lot of people look at you and ask you that if you win, what is it that you can promise these residents? Maybe just give me 2 things that you think you can improve.
Okay. Cleanliness. And there is the main problem in all the areas about sewage. Definitely, I will take an action because that is the Delhi Sarkar. And people are really in trouble. So I think I will definitely look upon that matter very seriously.
And we also have Ashish here, the husband of Ankita. Ashish, I want to put 1 or 2 questions to you. How supportive are you? Really, tell me the truth. I mean, were you initially, when she said that she wants to fight the elections, is it something that you welcomed?
First of all, I want to say I'm really proud of her. And yes, I do support her. She has been involved in social service for a very long time now with my dad, Shri Ankita Saini, who has been active in this full field for about 25 years now. So 2 members of our family are full-time devoting their time for social service, and I'm really proud of my family.
Well, that's great. But again, to put the same question to you, do you really think she can make a difference? At the end of the day, there are many youth in Indian politics today, but unfortunately the only ones who get publicity or who get any kind of attention are the ones who have family lineage behind them, while the others are sort of not that famous or don't make that much of an impact. So how much of an impact do you think if she wins, she can make?
See, what I know about her, she is very enthusiastic. Whatever she do, she give her 100% to it. So I'm quite confident that she'll do a good job.
All right. One more question to you, Ankita. There are many youth fighting this time. I was reading a newspaper report in the morning that suggested that the large majority of the candidates are young candidates. Yes. What do you think collectively, you people, if a lot of you young people are elected, what is the one difference that you can make in the functioning of the MCD or the trifurcated 3 corporations once it happens?
Definitely, I have a very good answer to this: honesty. Today the youth, sach hai to sach hai, jhoot hai to jhoot hai. I think this is the motto of every youth.
Right.
So I think we will definitely make a difference. Right. And I say best of luck to all of them.
Do you have the NDTV Profit app? All the markets, all the news and your own homemade, ready-made portfolio available there for you.
We will right now answer what you should sell, what you should buy when markets are down.
Download at ndtvprofit.com/apps. Get the best app from the channel you trust.